Alright, so lovers and friends, Christopher man, how you doing?
They am a general, enough respect, man. Enough
How it feel for us to do the stage like how you did? That demolish the stage like how you did?
Well, if you use demolish, no, that's an adjective that I appreciate. You know what I mean? It's a good vibe, man. I appreciate it. You know, I don't get a lot of opportunities to perform on stages like this in Jamaica. So yeah, I relish the moment, man.
Is this a humble brag? Like you know, say you tour, you travel, like so.
No. Humility is always a part of my vibes.
Yeah.
You know, so I could never brag about it.
Okay.
But majority of my shows are on the road.
Okay.
Definitely, you know.
Okay, where you get like the US and the Canadian money and
yeah.
Okay. So that's what you're used to.
I'm used to performing abroad a lot more than Jamaica.
Yeah.
So we give thanks when we get stages like these to show the people what we've been doing, you know, because I grew up in front of the nation. You know, a lot of people invested in me. You know, so like I'm an investment to a lot of people. They're like, my vote for you singer.
Yeah.
So after the years, we can show them your money's worth. That's it.
Is Christopher Martin still a singer? I feel like, you know, like, I feel like people see us like a singer, like, because I feel like you have a different swag to like the singing thing. You know, you're not like the mama hungry, but you're not a singer that like you have like a street swag to the singing
that's
thing.
a chanter, you know what I mean? Because you don't know the mama hungry comes from a Rasta man.
Yeah.
No make you hear fool in a berry. You know what I mean? I plot them, man.
Yeah.
But on a real though, yeah man, I'm still a singer, but you know the swag different for real. Because at the end of the day, a suave man.
Okay.
And a swag, you know what I mean? And a vibes.
How is co-parenting? Still going good?
Yeah man, a good vibes that man. You know what I mean? Yeah man, me and the mothers of my children were good.
So Valentine's Day was a nice day for you?
Valentine's Day always good for me.
I know a birthday, yeah?
Thank you.
Yeah.
So separate and apart from it being Valentine's Day and my birthday, so I'm good regardless.
So Christopher, like, how do you separate that now? Because it's a day where
we
you are supposed to be giving presents, but then you're supposed to get as well.
No.
So how that balance out now where your day but you're supposed to have?
It's always my day. First and foremost. It's always my day. And I can share it if I choose to.
Yeah.
Me don't choose to share it.
Oh wow.
So
Christopher, what is that one song from your catalog that you never get tired of performing?
Mama. Yeah, talk about my mother, I'm a God, I'm a general.
Yes.
You understand me, I say, my friend?
Yeah.
Yeah. So at no point in time will I ever stop singing that song. At no point in time will that song ever drop in value. You understand? Them say circulation make the price go down, but me I circulate mama right when the price will go up.
That is good.
You
That's
understand me? I
all.
say, yeah man, so it can never stop.
Why?
Chini, love it. You understand?
Big up more.
Every time, yeah man.
Why do you think that the Cheaters song, like, why do you think it still resonates like years later?
Stop people now stop cheat. See what I say?
Charlamagne the God say black men don't cheat.
Yeah, me say people.
Okay.
People now stop cheat, but never say black men.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah,
If you want to specify now, black men don't cheat.
Oh, okay.
But people now stop. And that is why that song increases in value as well. Thank you, my bro.
Okay. Now, before you leave now, I have to play a game with you because I know say you're sharp.
Talk to me.
But listen, you know.
Yeah.
And everybody can play the game. This is a reggae.
Let's
the
go.
reggae alphabet. So I'm going to give you a letter, you have to tell me a Jamaican artist with a name, with a letter. Right? So if I say A, you have to give me a Jamaican artist. You ready?
Let's go, yeah.
Remember, ABC 100%. All right, come closer, Kim. So you can tell me. Ready? We're sure. Ready? A.
Alton Ellis.
All right, B.
So we are going right as Z.
Yes, B.
Me can't
B,
manage
come on, man. We'll see how far. B.
Oh, Barrington Levy.
C.
Charlie Chaplin.
D.
BYCR.
E.
Europe.
F.
Fantan Moja.
G.
Garnet Silk.
H. All right. Some another toddler.
Harry Toddler.
I. Whoa. I.
Intense.
Oh. J.
Jack Ure.
Oh, K.
Kiprich.
L. Wombat.
Lieutenant Stitchy.
M.
Oh God.
Come on, man. M. Ooh.
Major Mackerel.
All right. M. N.
Nicodemus.
All right. O. Oh, no one.
Official Stylogy.
All right. Oh, wow. How do you say it go? Oh, P.
Professor Nuts.
All right. Q.
Queen Africa.
All right. R.
Red Rat.
All right. S. Yeah, go on, Christopher. S. Yes.
S. Jaja.
Who up on the stage now?
Sizzla Kalani. Jaja.
T.
Teflon.
All right. U.
What
oldest artist? Come on, man. I sing reggae.
You right.
Yeah. V. Yeah, man, the one, yeah, man.
V.
You can't come so close, you know, Christopher.
Mr. Vegas.
All right. WW.
Warrior King.
All right, X. It's a Junior X, that's the only person we know. Yeah, I don't think nobody know that Johnson has the name sound X.
Junior.
Why? You're close, you know. Why? Come on, man.
Yami Bolo.
All right.
Zebra.
Bombard. Zero the game. Big up, you know. Big up, Christopher. Big up yourself. Zero the game. Yeah, man.
No respect.
All right. Oh.
Now, you know I sang this song when I was 19 years old. And I'm 21 years old now. So for all the people who've been supporting Christopher Martin over the 2 years I've been in the music business. On my phone when your man's at home. What's going on? Is the respect gone? You know that's a no-no, now baby. You know that's a no-no. Now listen to me, baby. Now you gon' mess around and let him find out what we're doing. But you say you don't care cause he my bad girl when him screwing. So you say lay down on the bed, no Chris. I see you crawling to me on your knees, girl. Say y'all go give me everything me need. Watch your shift it cross and me just slip it in. You grip the sheets and broke off your nails. Sweat out your hair where you just do. Call your job and tell your boss say you're sick. Cause I got you hooked on my magic. You tell your friends say you don't feel right. Cause you want to be locked down and touch all night, baby. Tell your man you're gone on business trip. Cause I got you hooked on some good dick. Lord of mercy, all the record lovers, I wanna hear you sing it with me now. It's not the first, not the last, no, so much. All of me pretty girls them passing now, wanting out in such a task. I wanna hear the massive sing this, and I sing, oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. Oh no, because as far as I can see, oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. Don't ever cheat at all, but Lord, if you no stop me, all of the cheaters sing no. Pull up. Easy. All the ladies who've never cheated before, make some noise, please. Yeah! All the ladies who've cheated one time, make some noise. Love it. I love it. You're honest tonight. I believe in you, ladies. I love you. But listen.
Some tasty cheese.
See that you being so honest, I'm gonna ask you something. You ready? See if I cheat on you or you catch me. Betty, you left me. No say you forgive me, then turn around on me. That a straight up shaggy. Trust me. Can't no be calm and do it. Mean say you for do it, this are not cheat for cheap, and then you tell me you love me. Me know say you never love me. Now listen good. Me know you no bun for bun. If you ever give me no bun, we done. The world don't level me telling you hun. Even though me we eat, me no want none. Yo, squeeze this song, yeah, man. You're on, man. Listen, the views of Christopher Martin aren't necessarily the views of everybody. You understand? Oh Lord have mercy. And I'm singing for you all my sexy ladies again. It's not the first, not the last. So much. All my pretty girls are passing now. Holding on to such a task. I wanna hear the people sing this. And I say, oh Lord, don't let me speak. Oh no. Because as far as I can see, now she loves one more time. I say, oh Lord, don't let me cheat on
tricky situation. You know I promise my girl, you only look in our direction. Everywhere we go, I see our next one. I'm up a day too weak, and I'm call for attention. I only want to give the girls what they want. My legs is a rock. She would understand. I don't wanna lie, and I don't want to cry. Prairie can we tell her why? I say, oh Lord, don't let me cheat. No, you sound too good, as far as I can see. My beautiful girl, not cheat for me. No, no, I don't wanna cheat you. Trust me, I don't wanna cheat, believe me. But Lord, if you want, now stop me. One more time, everybody sing. Don't let me get caught. I can't hear you. Don't let me get caught. I still cannot hear you. Listen, now listen good, and I hope you don't get the story gets serious. Now listen up, and I like your try. I love my baby, but the pretty girls from my mind. It's unfair, I can't deny. That mama couldn't be everything. That mama woman and another guy. And now it's on, yes it's on, yes it's on. See how my girl, the girl up and play the piano, listen. She would have let me in, she knew what's in my thoughts. I want everybody sing this part. Oh Lord, don't let me. Take it out. My general, them me I hear a lot of don't let me cheat on my boyfriend. I know some song go. Don't make you girl them take over with some general. Help me with it, please. Lord, if you not stop me, I want everybody sing now. Don't let me get. I can't hear you. Sing it a little louder. Don't make the girl them take it now, please don't. Now tap it now. Now listen good. She said, but she never make it. Forget and can't get straight craziness. Oh my God, me sit down and me made it. Me just can't make she know that she getting it. You mad? I one girl to a man so setting it. But not for me, I'm one girl who keep forgetting it. I never get that yet. Can you stop the rhythm, make the massive them sing it? Oh Lord, don't let me
On my boyfriend.
now fight me for the song now. I like that. I could try again, man. General, help me now, man. Please, cause you know one of some my song go. Don't it corny? Don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. That's my song. Well, now make the girl take it from me. Oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. What? As far as I can see, my beautiful girl's not cheat on me. Oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. What ain't gone with you? So I go. My Lord, if you not stop me from, I'm going to do something for you now. Like how the girl them take it over, I'm going to do something for you. This are the girl is the anthem. Every man will love a man, push up your anthem. Alright, play the song for your girlfriend. Man if you cheat, getting caught is the problem. Oh Lord, now make me breathe, no man, girl. I'm joking. I'm really joking. It's really just music. Listen good, just tell you what. Pretty girl, must have never cheat. Never did it. You can't see it all. No, God knows someone never do it. No cheat on your girl. Just tell you what. Baby, I think you need for the sleep. Oh, you can't see it. Wanna love reggae music? You know this one? I'm gonna man up, we can't bubble and them. I'm gonna try to use it and abuse it. I need them make a frown. I'm gonna fire man up, we can't bubble and them. Them could never get me down. Well, I'm gonna try to use and abuse. Do you remember this one again? Now tune in. Like Chris Martin in the now tune in. Run over in the lovers and friends. Now tune in. Be the man is in the law. And Kurt Riley. Now tune in. Tune in. Becky and Roger. Yeah, you know what I mean. The girls I'm in love with now. Oh, yes. She loves me. Take it on, ladies. You must love this one. Here I am, playing with those memories again. Oh, baby. And just when I thought time had set me So you keep haunting me. Oh baby, I can't stop pretending. You know my heart is, I want everybody singing and just win. Yes, and just win. I thought I could stand. Those of memories come crashing through. You see, I just can't. No, go on with. And I say, go by. Pull up! Don't go no further! Don't go no further with the one there! Squeeze! And I say, whoa! Sing along, you know what I'm on. Sing this song for the people that say, chatty, chatty. Pull him up! Pull him up! It's 2023. It's 2023. If it don't concern you, if it's not your business, oh no, I want to say, I want the people that say, chatty, chatty. So, oh my, you don't love people. I suffer leave people busy. I say good God, I tell you, now see me a God. Your place one fix up, so why you not love people? Leave people business. I can't hear you. Leave people business alone. Oh God, I know say one time people them used to say. So when me touching on the streets, nobody see me. Rush me for my things and I tell people, see how you give me. Oh Lord, who them can't look in a man? Who know what bodies come down in my place again? So right now we are settle this cause. Lovers and friends, can we sing it once more? When the massive I said, chatty, chatty. Then mix up, oh why you not love people business? Leave it, cause I believe people business. Good God, I tell you about, nasty beer car. Now come back down and your place one fix up. Oh why you not love people business? Sing, leave people business. Sing it. The way them say, listen, don't show them chatty. Chatty man can't live in peace. Them see my way down and run, go tell my enemies them a chit chat. Upon my name them a yip yap. Oh Lord, I see the hypocrites them a gone there. You hear them out before you see them. And a real talk can't make me cause sit down there. She left me cause she listen to them. When them a chit chat. Upon my name them a yip yap. Oh Lord, it's like them war with people. And really give them something. All of them are singing on the party, sing it one more time. Say chatty, chatty. Oh, why you not love people business? I said believe people business. Me say good God, I tell you out. I say be a God. Now come back round and your place one fix up. Oh, why you not love people business? Leave people business alone. Read them, leave people business alone. I wanna hear you say, leave people business alone. Sit. So when I say something, that's what I want you to say. Are you ready? Are you ready? Man and woman business. If it's not your business. No, hold on, don't worry. Y'all sing loud enough, you're not singing right. Hey, you may have shot today, I look all about it. But I like how you love how you're involved in the vibes. So all of you says leave people business. You understand? You ready again now, boss? Ready? Man and woman business. If it's not your business, my business. No, without you I have no business. Don't leave my business alone, please. Stay in my business, okay? Thank you very much. Insult Curto. Ah! Folks might not know this one. You young folks might not know that I gotta sing it tonight. Listen. Oh, I wake up in the morning. Love is outside the party. Love is outside the party. That is my own brown at you. Oh my God, my ladies, listen. Oh, I wake up in the morning with my head says I'm really up here this time too, you know what I mean? And I stumble to the breakfast table while the kids are going off to school. Goodbye, oh Lord, Lord. Oh, hey, she reaches out and takes my hand, kisses and says, how you doing, hon? And I look across her smiling lips that warms my heart. See my morning sun. I'm not the massive, not the party. If you know it, you sing. If that's not loving me, then all I got to say, I wanna hear you. Oh God, you made it don't rain. Stop it, don't go further. Wanna make some nice man, don't not sing so sweet. My heart full. Somebody responsible light the man them something there. He's a light man here, right? Mr. Lightman, I'm gonna give you a task. It's a light lady. I love it even more. Come on, baby. Please. I can see it you. Hey, baby, could you, hey, kill the lights? Give me a spotlight, please. My birthday was just Tuesday. Anything I say I want you have to give me, please. Love it. Love it. Now this is sexy. Set the mood for the ladies. Now, ladies, he wasn't lying. My birthday was February the 14th. You can make some noise for that, yeah. So as you can see, I am indeed a lover from birth. You know, so it would be remiss of me not to bake a cake for you. So now you young folks really might not know these songs, but I couldn't come here and not do this for you. Kurt. I've been loving you too long. Can't stop now, no. You went you ready, ladies? I said if you ever change your mind about leaving I said, oh baby, bring your I said, bring it on home to me. Say, yeah. Jesus. and my emotional stability is leaving me. Baby, there is something that I can do. Baby, I can get on the telephone and call you up, baby. And honey, now I know you'll be there too. Oh, the love you give to me will free me now. Now if you don't know the things you're feeling, ooh, I can tell you, darling, that it's sexual. Now everybody sing it with me now. Get up, get up, get up, get up. I wanna hear you now. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Because you do it right. One more time. Get up, get up, get up, get up. And let's make love tonight. Ooh, baby. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Because you do it right. When I'm not all not go my way, you know I feel like give up. I'm sexually in the towel line. All of the work on the party, I'm see the hands up like this. You know you're not beg nobody nothing. You're not joke no friends coming on the party. Who want to see your way side to side and you say you go to the shop. Pull up. Summertime I'm going on, I mean easy. Easy, Kurt. Easy, 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 easy. Please. Talk now! Sparky shirt can't come off up here cool. You want to feel the breeze where I blow? Tell you something. Now listen. I could not come here tonight and not sing this song. I want to represent for me, you understand? Because everybody will come out tonight and love music and love reggae and love dance and support the vibes. You understand me? I say, I'm love for no from my heart. Big up to the promoter them. Big up to everybody that's on staff. Big up to Kurt Riley. Big up Sparky Baby. Big up my team. You understand me? I say, know yourself. You're not for fall for me. Come on. So listen. Want to represent for me upon that one. All the mothers. I'm just bake a nice cake for one of happy bread tonight. You're gonna be a mother in 9 months. Maybe 8 if you really do the right thing. Every hand, lock off the light in our crowd for me there. Every phone light. Let me know my phone and show them me by phone light. Give me a phone and turn on the light. Show them me by phone light. Turn on the light on the phone and give me that. I want to see every phone light represent. You understand what I say? Yeah. Yeah. Light up the crowd for me. Light up the crowd for me. Light up the crowd for me. Drop it for me, the crowd. Light up the crowd for that woman here. Light it up. Where would I be? Light it. Where would I be? Light it up. Where would I be without my mama? Now listen to me now. Love you, there's nothing I can't above you. No love, you stand firm now, my life don't know about you. Come from a ball, I'm here, you are power.